VMC machine in excellent working condition. The make of the machine is Sharptech, Taiwan, and its model is Eco V1000. You can see the condition of the machine. Its control is Fanuc series OIMD. Currently अभी spindle 2000 rotations पे चल रहा है. Its spindle taper is BT40. You can see the condition of the table. It is complete with its vice. Vice भी है इसके साथ एक. Its table size is 1 meter by 500 mm. And X, Y और Z तीनों तीन LM guideways पर है. That is linear. You can see the condition. It's complete with its chip conveyor. Chip conveyor भी चल रहा है. There are some tool holders. Its level pads. Its coolant system. The total number of tool changes are ATC 24. Its electrical panel. Is complete with its oil chiller. Its transformer. As you can see, Sharptech precision. Its year is maximum spindle 10,000 rotations, and the year of manufacturing is 2015. The basic program has been set to run all the axes. Tuning of its tool. Currently our spindle speed is at 5,000 rotations. As you can see, speed में धीरे धीरे पूरा चल रहा है. तीनों के तीन एक्सिस चल रही है. X, Y and Z. Working at 8,000 rotations per minute. As you can hear, 8,000 पे भी कोई rotations पर कोई noise नहीं है. All three axes is working. Working at its maximum spindle speed, that is 10,000 rotations per minute. As you can hear, there is no noise at all. Even at its high RPM also, it is completely silent. Working at 10,000 rotations. Working at 500 rotations. Okay. Okay. Now you see hand wheel movements. सबसे पहले इसकी बता दो. Working of its hand wheel movements. ठीक है, Y के लिए बता दो. ठीक है, now for the Z. ऊपर ले लो. ले लो ऊपर. Okay. The overall working condition of the machine is excellent.